Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can form an LLC in Mississippi. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called LegalZoom. LegalZoom is an amazing website which is going to help you create your LLC. And why do I recommend LegalZoom? Not only because it's an amazing service, but what I'm seeing right now is that plenty of entrepreneurs who are starting out, they are all micromanaging all the accounting, all the legal stuff, all the business administration, and they are not actually focusing on the business and generating revenue and increasing the sales, etc. So LegalZoom is going to help you a lot right now. So click here on LLC, and when you're going to do it, you want to call your LLC some name that you created. Check availability. Then you just write here your state, Mississippi, right? Click search. And when you're gonna do it, let's wait. It's going to check if you can actually. Nice, it's available. Now you just add here your email address and get my LLC. Now right here, when do you want to actually launch? Let's go with a soon. And when you got it, let's go continue. And is Stone's Company your first LLC, or if it's no? I'm going to press that yes, it's my first LLC. And what will Stone's Company do? You just want to write here e-commerce, or just something that you're gonna do actually, right? E-commerce, or I don't know, let's say construction or florist, consulting, travel. Click continue. Will Stone's Company have an employee in the first year? I'm not going to have, but if you're gonna have, press yes. I'm going no. And then essential services for Stone's Company. By law, you will require a registered agent. So yes, and also you need to have some legal documentation. The first essential service is a registered agent, and you can do it with LegalZoom, or you can appoint a different registered agent. I recommend going with the LegalZoom because they will work everything for you. And then you're gonna see right here, you have three options here. You can go with the operating agreement. Then you can go operating agreement plus ein, or operating agreement, ein, and licenses. Let me show you. If you're gonna choose, the ein is really important because without it you can file taxes or open a bank account, but I recommend going with the middle one or the last one, only because they're gonna cover everything for you. So let's just go with the middle one. And LegalZoom is going to offer you two services here, additional services. You can go with a 30-minute with consultation with an independent attorney about tax issue, legal issue for $40 a month, but you don't need to have it actually. Or then you can have a total compliance here, and what this means that they're going to set up everything for you to stay compliant, taking care of annual report fillings and formalities. And if they miss anything, they're going to pay a fine or penalty. So that's huge. Now you can simply click take my included trial or no thanks. And what you're gonna do here, you need to choose a package here. So you can go with the economy version, which is $80 a day, $80, or you can go with the Express Gold, which is going to be $350. You're gonna have your company in 10 business days. And then what you can do is 7 days a week, lifetime customer support. And they will help you whenever you need. So in this way, Express Gold is amazing. But of course, you can choose economy. It's up to you. Right then, you can also open a checking account in Bank of America, but you don't need to. And right here, you can see that it's going to cost us $558 with everything. But still, you can change the economy, the LLC package. And it's going to cost $300 right now. Or you can simply change back to Express Gold and continue to checkout. And then you just add your first name, last name, address, and everything, and you're well done, and you get to go, and you have your own LLC. So they will just send you the email, you just send them some informations, and that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And this is the most important thing. So focus on actually creating a business. Focus on effective processes. In what way I'm better comparing to yesterday, me. In what way I was more effective comparing to yesterday. You want to plan your days in advance to be more effective. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.